Welcome to the Forge Tutorials Maya Masterclass. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Quad Draw tool inside Maya. Now this tool is really helpful if you want to retopologize any sculpted meshes that you have either sculpted in ZBrush or any other software. Basically, if you want to retopologize anything or if you want to add more details on top of a particular surface, the Quad Draw tool is really helpful. So in order to access the Quad Draw tool, first we need to set a live surface. In order to set a live surface, first we need to select the object that we want the live surface to be, and then we need to go to our toolbar and then click on this Make Selected Object Live button. This will make the object that we have selected a live surface. Now what live surface means is that everything we do will be conformed to the surface that we have selected. Now let's select our Quad Draw tool. You can access that from your mesh tools, and down here you have access to your Quad Draw tool. I'm gonna go into the settings of our Quad Draw tool. In the settings, you can turn on or off the auto weld. You can select the strength of the auto weld. You can change the relax mode, or you can change the extend mode. You will understand what those are in a little bit. The main thing available to us in the Quad Draw menu is the shortcuts. So when we click on this keyboard and mouse shortcuts, it's gonna give us a list of shortcuts that's gonna be really helpful when you're using the Quad Draw tool. So for example, you can create dots with the click of your left mouse button. Now what dots means is essentially your vertices, and you can create vertices by simply clicking on your face. Now with every 4 dots we are creating a geometry, and you can create geometry between vertices by simply clicking Shift plus your left mouse button inside your selection. This will convert all of those dots into a piece of geometry. Now you can continue to draw dots and create faces. If you want to create dots continuously, you can also create faces afterwards. Now you can also extend the edges. You can extend every edge individually, or you can extend the complete border. So if we use tab plus middle mouse button, you can extend the complete edge, and if you use tab plus your left mouse button, you can extend single edges, and if you extend them close enough together, they will also snap together and weld themselves together. And everything that we will create will conform to the object that we have selected as the live surface. So through this method, you can retopologize the whole head, because I sculpted this face inside ZBrush, and as you can see, the face is really dense and the topology is not really good for animation or posing or any production use for that matter. You can also delete dots by pressing Ctrl Shift plus left button. We can insert individual edge loops by pressing Ctrl plus left mouse button. Or if you want to create an edge loop which is right at the center, you can do that by using Ctrl plus middle mouse button. That will put the edge loop at the center. So as you can see, now we have an edge loop at the center of our selection. So this is the Quad Draw tool, and it is really helpful if you're a character sculptor or a concept artist and you use ZBrush a lot, and if you want to move your meshes from ZBrush to Maya for animation or for game design. You can easily create a low poly version of your sculpted character. And I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope now you know a little bit more about the Quad Draw brush and how to use it. And as always, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment. And if you want to support me directly or buy some cool stuff, link to my merch store and my Patreon is in the description down below. And I'll see you in the next video.